Upgrading your car's audio system just got easier with the 1998 GEO Prism speaker adapter. Designed specifically for the 1998 GEO Prism, this adapter lets you install 5¼ or 6½ speakers right into your front door. What you get is a solid, long-lasting fit thanks to its sturdy steel construction. This adapter isn't just limited to the GEO Prism. Drivers have successfully used it in other models, including the 2005 Honda Civic sedan. Because it's a universal fit, some minor adjustments may be needed, but it adapts well with a little patience. Installation involves securing the adapter with 3 self-tapping screws, creating a firm base for your speakers. One user shared that when installing speakers in their Civic, they ran the speaker screws through the adapter and the metal door, totaling 7 screws holding everything in place. The result? A rock-solid setup with 0 rattles, even on bumpy roads. This kind of stability makes a noticeable difference in sound quality and overall driving experience. If you own a 2013 to 2016 Ford Fusion, this adapter is worth a look too. It fits both front and rear doors, offering flexibility for your audio upgrade. The design includes tabs that you can easily break off to match your door's shape, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. To ensure the best sound performance, it's recommended to seal around the adapter with silicone. This step fills any small gaps between the adapter and the door sheet metal, preventing air leaks that could interfere with sound clarity. It's a simple addition that pays off in cleaner, richer audio. At just 1.0 pound, the adapter is lightweight yet tough enough to hold your new speakers securely. Whether you're replacing worn-out factory speakers or upgrading to a higher quality sound system, this adapter provides a reliable foundation without the need for custom fabrication. If you're ready to improve your car's audio without complicated modifications, the 1998 GEO Prism speaker adapter is a practical choice. It combines durability, versatility, and ease of installation, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about sound. Try it when you're ready to give your car's audio system a solid upgrade that lasts. With proven fits on multiple popular models and positive feedback from users, this adapter delivers what matters most: a clean, secure installation and better sound quality.